of environmental chemistry, where we explore the impact of chemicals on our planet. Green chemistry focuses on developing environmentally friendly solutions to minimize pollution and waste. Industrial chemistry plays a crucial role in manufacturing processes, ensuring efficiency and safety. Understanding these branches of chemistry is essential for preserving our environment and promoting sustainable practices. Environmental chemistry studies the chemical processes occurring in ecosystems and their impact on living organisms. Green chemistry aims to design chemical products and processes that are safe, energy efficient, and environmentally friendly. Industrial chemistry focuses on developing efficient methods for large-scale production while minimizing environmental harm. By implementing green and industrial chemistry principles, we can reduce pollution and create a sustainable future. Environmental, green, and industrial chemistry are interconnected fields that contribute to a healthier and cleaner planet. Join us as we explore the definitions and importance of environmental, green, and industrial chemistry.